How to fix battery drain on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check battery draining apps. After check battery draining app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so turn off RAM plus. After turn off RAM plus, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, so it just reset all setting. It's not cleaner. Remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix battery drain after on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.